A plan to run a space train from Earth to the Moon, Mars. It sounds like a sci-fi movie. But yes, it is going to be possible. A train running from Earth to the Moon and from the Moon to Mars. After construction of world's longest Siberian railway network, researchers in Japan are planning a train from Earth to Mars. If this project is success, that is another achievement of human to travel from Earth to space without rocket and spaceship. People can easily travel from Earth to Moon and Moon to Mars and other planet also. And this project is one of the world's interesting project that everyone wait for see for success. Researchers at the Human Spatiology Center of Kuwatake University in Japan and the Japanese Kajima Corporation have informed about the plan of a train that will run from Earth to Mars in the first week of July. They also already prepared 3D modeling of space train. And this transportation system has been named Hexagon Space Track System, where space rail will be used. Now the questions is, what is the Hexagon Space Track System? Hexagon Space Track System is used for long distance travel. The Hexatrack will maintain a gravity of 1g, that means normal gravity of the Earth, to lessen the effects of extended exposure to low gravity. The bullet trains are also said to have hexacapsules, hexagonal-shaped capsules, with a moving device in the middle. A mini capsule of a 15-meter radius will connect the Earth with the Moon, while a slightly bigger capsule of a 20-meter radius will be used to link the Earth with Mars. The train station at the Moon will be called the Lunar Station, and it will be using a gateway satellite. The station at Mars, on the other hand, will be called the Mars Station, and it will be situated on the Martian satellite Phobos. Researchers have said that these trains will be bigger than Japanese bullet trains and will be operated by rocket engines. At each station, 6 train cars will be separated from the station and carried by a hexagonal capsule. The university's Spatiology Center said, as these hexagons are launched into space, each vehicle will stay on a bar so they stay straight. After coming to the base station, those cars will separate from the hexagon. Each ascent and descent vehicle will use rocket ejection devices to escape the effects of a planet's gravity. They said that this will also increase the speed of the vehicle in space. When there is no atmosphere, the space train's fans will expand and an elevator will also be used. On the Moon and Mars, they will operate on high-speed rail lines where there will be a network connecting one city to another. These space trains will artificially give humans a sense of gravity similar to Earth's, from which the experience will be like that of the Earth. There will be facilities for lunar glass on the Moon and Mars glass on Mars. According to the manufacturer, these glasses will have an environment similar to the Earth's forest, water fountains, and other biological diversity. Yoshoki Yamashiki, director of the Spatiology Center, said at a press conference in the first week of July, no other country has done this kind of development in space. He has also stated that his plans will help in the development of technology that will enable people to live in space in the future. In the press conference, the Human Spatiology Center said, now the human race is moving from the era of living on the Earth to the era of living on the Moon and Mars. Although the plan has been announced, no study has been done on what kind of environment and other facilities are required. The study has not said what kind of technologies will be the food, clothes, accommodation and other social life in the space train. They are doing research focusing on this matter. While the researchers are publicizing this plan, its cost will be very expensive. The plan might take 100 years to become a reality, but the researchers are aiming to build a simplified prototype version of the Mars glass and Luna glass by 2050, according to the Japanese newspaper the Asahi Shimbun. Thanks to this project, Our future generation will live the life we could only fantasize about while watching movies like Interstellar and The Martian. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification icons for further new videos.